Dear students, once again welcome back to Devasha International School online teaching. So students, as you know, in the first video we have talked about some basic part of science. In that, question number 1 and question number 2 that we have completed. So now students, we are going to start with the same but the question number 3. So students, see, first of all, this part we have completed. Question number 1. See, up to this 10 questions we have discussed one by one. Okay, हमने already इसको discuss कर लिया है. Then after, draw the following diagram. This also we have discussed. Clear? Now the next part, that is a question number 3. So students, in this question, give a short information about solar system. So students, here the question is asked, that is solar system. We have to write a short information. Okay, here the lines are given, approx 4 to 5 lines are given, and we have to write a short define. Okay, now see, some points I can write. See, solar system means a combination of planets, star, celestial bodies, and many artificial satellites. So this, okay, now solar system consists of 8 planets. The name of the 8 planets you can write over here, and some artificial satellite, and the name of the artificial, okay, the name of the satellite of Earth. The name of the satellite of Earth, that is Moon. So students, this way a small information about solar system we can write. Okay, so I am going to write this. See, so here the 4th question, 3rd we have completed. Now the 4th part. Now in this 4th question, what we have to do? Complete the following table. Now the question is, complete the following table. This is the one table. Table is given to us, and we have to just complete this table. Okay. So now students, if you see, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मैंने दिया हुआ है. See, force they have given to us, and we have to complete this table. So first of all, students, you can say force. So forces are of different types. So first we have defined on 2 bases: contact force, and the second one is non-contact force we can write. Okay, and now the next part, after contact. चलो, सब आपको समझ में तो आ गया होगा इसमें करना क्या है. So contact force, okay, here non-contact we can write. Okay, now, and students, in this one, contact force, one portion is given, muscular force, and second one we can write frictional force. What we can write? Frictional force. And here in non-contact gravitation force, and the second one that will be magnetic force. चलो, तो क्लियर है? आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. चलो, now I am going to rub this, okay? So students, this way we can write the answers of the following question. Next part, question number 6. Sorry, now this is question number 5. So in this question number 5, what is given? Here in some questions we have to give the reason why the answer is okay, true and false, and why this is so. We have to give the reason, yes or no. Okay. Now see the question. Explain why sometimes it is required to add. Remember this. Sometimes why it is required to add manure and fertilizers in the field. So now students, आपने देखा होगा कि during the time of agriculture, we are adding something. Okay. Manure you can say, or fertilizer you can say. Okay, manure and fertilizers. These two things we are adding inside the field. And why we are adding? For the proper growth of the plant. So students, मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया था कि manure is manure is artificial, we can say. No, manure it is a natural. Manure is natural and fertilizer is man-made. चलो, clear है? And students, here you have to write the answer कि why we are adding fertilizer and manure inside the field. So clear है? Now see. So students, why it is required so? Now see, okay. So see, the question is, it is required to add. Clear students? Question आपको समझ में आ गया ना? So it is required to add some manure and fertilizer in the field because, and why we have to add this? अब आपको इसका आंसर समझ में आ गया होगा. Because for the proper growth of plants, to get proper amount of nutrients. Clear? Now, so this part we have completed. So students, on the same basis some questions are given to us.